Well, let's shift our focus for now. In a surprise move, the Reserve Bank of India today cut the benchmark repo rate by 50 basis points. Markets were widely expecting a 25 basis point cut. The RBI's latest move brings down rates to 5.5%, marking the third consecutive rate cut. Now, the central bank also shifted its policy stance from neutral to accommodative, signaling a continued focus on boosting economic growth and persistent global and domestic headwinds.
The Monetary Policy Committee met on the 4th, 5th and 6th of June, that is today, to deliberate and decide on the policy repo rate. And after a detailed assessment of the evolving macroeconomic and financial developments and the economic outlook ahead, the MPC decided to reduce, which is widely expected, the policy repo rate under the liquidity adjustment facility by 50 basis points to 5.5%.
RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra highlighted the decision was aimed at supporting demand recovery, especially as India navigates through ongoing trade uncertainties and inflation remains within the target range. He further revised inflation estimates from 4% to 3.7%. Following the big announcement, broader market indices reacted positively. However, the rate cut also pressured the currency markets. The Indian rupee slipped close to the 86 mark, weighed down by the widening rate differential with global peers and concerns over capital outflows. On the macroeconomic front, the RBI kept its GDP growth projection for financial year 26 unchanged at 6.5, maintaining confidence in India's medium-term growth trajectory despite near-term volatility. Overall, the RBI's latest move underscores its commitment to reviving growth, even as it keeps a close watch on inflationary risks as well as external vulnerabilities. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.